Song number 31 on page 11, Mary Had a Little Lamb. In this piece, we are going to play all the notes we've learned so far, which is F sharp, second finger on the D string, E, first finger on the D string. You have also an open D, and you also have the quarter note rest where you will be stopping your bow. So I will put my metronome on to give us the quarter note beat. Each beat will go at this pace. And playing position, please. Thumb at the side of the neck with some space underneath the thumb or over the thumb. Fingers hovering above. I'm looking ahead. I have an F sharp, so I put my second finger on the D string and my first finger E on the D string. Make sure your bow hold looks like this with all those fingers spread apart, and I put my bow at the frog on the D string. After 4 beats, please. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest, up, down, up, rest, down, rest, up, bow. Down. Hold for 4 beats. Excellent. Let's try that again one more time without me calling out the names of the bows. Here we go. I may call out the names of the notes. Playing position, please. Thumb pointing toward the top. Make sure your bow hold is firm, and I'm going to put it on my D string. My F sharp second finger is placed on the D string. My first finger is also placed on the D string. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. F sharp second finger. Rest. First finger. Rest. Second finger. And then put your violin down.